This is a demonstration of the change order control module. We have here a project that has been estimated, has a $5,000 selling price, and $2,576 as the cost, estimated cost for the project. Now, in order to activate the change order control module, we first have to set fixed price, which is to lock in the sell price of the job. And we click over here, and notice we have $5,000 set fixed price, and we have the change order control module visible. Now, we are now able to make changes to this project, and the system will record those changes. And what we'll first do is actually create a change order. And we see this is the change order screen, and we have the ability to either create a change order numerically, just sequential change orders, or we can put in a set of letters, and I'll just call this AA for change order AA. And we can give it a description, and this is swap out speakers. We can also put in a longer description down here if we want, and there we go. So this is a external change order, i.e. associated with the customer, versus an internal would be something we're going to do, like swap out a piece of equipment because it's no longer available. And we also have its change order has not been accepted as pending. All right, so now that we've got the change order set up, we can go ahead and we can make edits to the project. We can either edit an A line, we can add additional lines or subtract lines from our project. So we're going to go, first we're going to do a description, and yes, this is an edit, okay? And I'm just going to put new description, okay? Okay, and, all right, fine. Now, let's go ahead, and we're going to go to this part here, and we're actually going to delete it. So we press the delete key, and it knows it's a delete, and we're going to go ahead and use this change order. Okay, so that's a pending deletion. And then we're going to add another item to the project, and this will be an add. And here we're adding the new item. So basically, we've deleted one item here, and we're going to add an item. And you notice that we've added these items, but they have not affected the baseline of the project because they're still pending. Now, if we want to see just the change order items themselves, we can come over here and click on change order and say show change order. We've selected change order AA. We can say show change order, and now we see our change order, and this is a case where we've got an edit, we have a deletion, and we have an add. If we want to put the project back, we just say show project, and now here's the project back to its original state. If we want to print out the change order, let's go ahead and we'll add a subtotal on this as well. So we'll go ahead and do an S, and this will be a change order, 0, change order AA subtotal. Okay? And then we just do retotal. Now, to print this out, we can come over here to print, and we can go ahead and say just list out our change order, and we'll go ahead and do a proposal. Click over there, and then all the regular rules follow to print out a quote. And here is our little change order, and it comprises of our description, a deletion of an item, and then a replacement of a different item. And the sum of the difference is $7.20 or 50 cents. And now we can go ahead and print this out. Notice our change order number is the base project number change order /AA. All right. Now, we can add other change orders to the project. That's fine. We can create change order section. All those things are possible. Now, at some point, the customer is either going to accept the change order or not accept the change order. So if the customer is going to accept the change order, we would come over here to change order, and then we can go ahead and select which change order we're going to approve, and we'll say this one, and we put in some change order number, just an ID number, or the customer's purchase order number, whatever number we want to use, we can keep track of that. And we would go ahead and either press the approve or the clear. And the clear will actually put the project back to its original state, and the approve will accept and make the changes permanent. And so we go ahead and press approve and continue, and now we have added these items in permanently, and you see that now there's a $7.50 change to the project. Now, we have the ability to see the source of those new items by pressing, now we'll do red total, so it doesn't even know that there's a change order. Or if we want, we can turn this feature on, where we go ahead, turn on show source of change orders, and this would, after retotal, would show us all the different items that have been added to the project. Now, a couple other features that are available with this is we can also, maybe we forgot what we did with this particular project, we can actually list the change order items. So we select our change order, and then this would show what we did. We added a subtotal line. We took away one line. We added another line, and then we gave a description. And so these are the things were on that particular change order. And now we can go ahead and we're finished with this particular change order. Now, over time, like if we were to put in, you know, a BB project here, and we would go ahead and add that, we can add additional change orders. This one's been approved, and this one is pending, and we can make additional additions and subtractions from our project. If we wanted to, we could actually list out the a list of all the change orders that have been applied to this project, and we have here change order AA, and this basically took the project from a fixed price amount of $5,000 to plus the change order to the new fixed price amount, and then this is another change order, our BB change order, which is still pending. So we have a total set of change orders of $7.50. All right, so that is the change order control module. Please contact DovNet Technology for additional demonstrations if you wish. Thank you very much for your time.